Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. My name is Muhammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I have also cracked TS Law Set 2023 with rank 1. In this video, we will discuss most important MCQs related to legal aptitude. That is very important from the point of view of TS Law Set and AP Law Set. So this is part second. We have discussed part one in previous video. If you have not visited previous video, make sure that you will visit previous video, and after that you visit this video. After that you will understood the concept how how these MCQs is important to your examination. So let's discuss these questions. So the first question is, one second. So the first question is under what provisions? One second. First question is under what provision of Universal Declaration on Human Rights is right to asylum recognized? Its right answer is B. Article 14. Question number second. Passive euthanasia has been held to be valid in the case of. Its right answer is C. Arun Ramchandra So Sobhag versus Union of India. Question number three. In which case did Supreme Court of India incorporated due process of law in Constitution of India? Its right answer is C. Menka Gandhi versus Union of India. Question number four. Untouchability is prohibited under the Indian Constitution by. Uh, its right answer is A. Article 17. Question number 5. Article 18 Indian Constitution intends to. Its right answer is C. Abolition of titles. Question number 6. What is meant by discharge of an offense? Its right answer is A. Acquitting the accused for lack of evidence. Question number 7. Liberty, privacy, life. Its right answer is A. Health. The liberty as related to privacy, life is related to health. Question number 8. Freedom of press, United Nations, right to efficient governance. Its right answer is B. South Africa. As freedom of press related to United Nations, in same manner, the right to efficient governance is related to South Africa. So the right answer is B. Question number 9. Section 377 Indian Penal Code was alleged to be violative of. Its right answer is A. Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Question number 10. Punishment for the offense of rape is contained in. Its right answer is A. Section 376 of the Indian Penal Code. Question number 11. In how many zones are the meetings of Copyright Board held? One second. And in BNS, it is 64. Question number 11. In how many zones are the meetings of Copyright Board held? Its right answer is B. 5. Question number 12. Pick the odd one out with regard to Reserve Bank of India. Uh, its right answer is Mumbai. Bhopal, Lucknow, Bhopal, Bangalore, and Lucknow is not related to RBI. So the right answer is B. Mumbai. Question number 13. The seat of Aptel is at. Uh, its right answer is A. New Delhi. And the full form of Aptel is Appellate Tribunal. Appellate Tribunal for Electricity. It was established on May 13th, 2005. Next question is 14. In National Commission for Scheduled Tribes was established under. Its right answer is B. Article 338 of the Constitution of India. Question number 15. It is 15. Is check a negotiable instrument? Its right answer is B. Yes, under Section 13 of Negotiable Instrument Act. Question number 16. The seat of Securities Appellate Tribunal is at. Its right answer is B. Mumbai. Question number 17. Labor courts are established under. Its right answer is C. Industrial Disputes Act 1947. Question number 18. Pick the odd one out with respect to jurisdictional immunities under international law. Its right answer is B. Criminal liability. Question number 19. Investigation about alleged contravention of Competition Act 2002 is done by. Its right answer is Directorate General A. Question number 20. Freedom of movement throughout the territory of India is contained in. Its right answer is B. Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause D of the Constitution of India. Question number 21. Maintenance can be claimed under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. So the right answer is B. Question number 22. Decriminalization of attempt to suicide has been recommended by. Its right answer is 210th Report Law Commission of India. So the right answer is C. Question number 23. What is the meaning of the term Mufassil? Its right answer is A. Parts of territory outside the three presidency towns. Question number 24. Air India Limited is headquartered at. Its right answer is D. Mumbai. Question number 25. Who is the senior most civil servant of India? Its right answer is Cabinet Secretary of India. C. Question number 25. Pick the odd one out. Its right answer is C. Ranjit Kumar. Ranjit Kumar is odd one out because uh, he was not former Attorney General of India. He was only Solicitor General of India, and he is currently senior advocate in Supreme Court of Delhi. And other three option is Soli Sorabji, Mukul Rastogi, MC Sitalwad. All these three persons were former Attorney General of India. So in this question, the right answer is C. Ranjit Kumar. Question number 27. Central Bureau of Investigation is established under. Its right answer is A. Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. Question number 28. Provisions for establishment of a debt recovery tribunal are contained in. Its right answer is A. Recovery of debt due to the Banks and Financial Institute Act 1993. Question number 29. The seat of Competition Appellate Tribunal is at. Its right answer is B. New Delhi. Question number 30. The contiguous zone of India is the seas exist till. Its right answer is A. 24 nautical miles. Question number 31. Guiding principles to exercise jurisdiction under Article 136 of the Constitution of India has been laid down. Its right answer is Pritam Singh versus State. Right answer is A. Question number 32. New interpretation of law, penal in nature. Its right answer is applies to pending cases. A. Question number 34. The doctrine of rarest of rare for exercise of discretion is applied by the judge in case of. Its right answer is capital punishment. B. Question number 35. Sub modo means. Its right answer is within limits. So the right answer is B. Question number 36. Who can claim divorce on grounds of irretrievable breakdown of marriage under Hindu Marriage Act? Its right answer is husband only. B. Oh, one second. It is wrong. So the right answer of question number 36 is A. Both husband and wife. Question number 37. A Muslim woman is entitled after divorce for maintenance. Its right answer is B. During Iddat period. Question number 38. Film star Sanjay Dutt was convicted under. Its right answer is D. Section 5 of Arms Act. Question number 39. FERA stands for. FERA stands for Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. A. Question number 40. The Pensions Act 1871 was enacted to. Its right answer is to consolidate and amend the law relating to pension. B. Question number 41. The landmark case related to sexual harassment at workplace is. Its right answer is Visakha versus State of Rajasthan. A. Question number 42. Maintenance under Section 125 of Code of Criminal Procedure can be availed by a Muslim, a woman after the decision in. Its right answer is Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Sahbano Begum. A. Question number 43. R.C. Cooper versus Union of India is famously known as. R.C. Cooper versus Union of India is famously known as bank nationalization case. The right answer is B. Question number 44. Who among the following people shall not be entitled to the benefit of protection against double jeopardy under Article 20, Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution? Its right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 45. Judgment should be delivered in. Its right answer is language of the court. A. Question number 46. Pick the odd one out. Its right answer. This is not important from the point of view of TS losses. So let it let it go. So question number 47. Quid pro quo means. Its right answer is B. Consideration. Something for something. Question number 48. The offense of voyeurism is punishable under section of the Indian Penal Code. Its right answer is A. So once again. Its right answer is B. 354C. And in BNS, In BNS, it is 77. Question number 49. Is state of Balochistan eligible to become a member of United Nations? Its right answer is no, because it is not a state. B. Question number 50. Which of the following organization is the intelligence arm of Indian Armed Forces? Its right answer is Directorate of Military Intelligence. D. Question number 51. A national policy of India as to narcotic drugs gets its origin in. Its right answer is Article 47 Constitution of India. B. Question number 52. Martyrs Day is celebrated in India on. Its right answer is 30th January. B. Question number 53. Can a juvenile be prosecuted jointly with a non-juvenile? Its right answer is no. D. Question number 54. DRT stands for. Its right answer is Debt Recovery Tribunal. A. Question number 55. The landmark case from which the concept of neighbor in negligence emerged in. Its right answer is Donoghue versus Stevenson. B. Question number 56. The limit of exclusive economic zone was determined to be dash nautical miles at dash. Its right answer is C. The limit of exclusive economic zones was determined to be 200 nautical miles at United Nations Convention on Law of Seas. Question number 57. Agreement between competitors at the same stage of production are known as. Its right answer is horizontal agreement. A. Question number 58. Pick the odd one out. Its right answer is B. Article 20 of the Constitution of India. Because it can't Article 20 of the Constitution of India can't be suspended during national emergency. So it is odd one out among the four options. And these three can be suspended during the national emergency. Question number 59. 86th Constitution Amendment. Its right answer is A. A. Inserted Article 21A to the Constitution of India. Question number 60. Evidentiary burden of proof. Its right answer is shifts regularly. B. Question number 61. A division bench of the Supreme Court comprises of. Its right answer is two judges. A. Question number 62. Reforms for banking industry was suggested by. Its right answer is Narsimhan Committee. A. Question number 63. Which of the following is not true about the Judicial Committee of Privy Council? Its right answer is bound by its previous decision. D. Question number 64. Which of the following is not included in Iddat period under Muslim law? Its right answer is period of 7 months after pregnancy of the divorced woman. B. Question number 65. Compassionate appointment is a. Its right answer is settlement. B. Question number 66. Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed under. Its right answer is Article 148 Constitution of India. B. Question number 67. Gambling law of India is contained in. Its right answer is Public Gambling Act. B. Question number 68. The number of judges required to constitute the quorum of International Court of Justice are. Its right answer is A. 9. And ICJ is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. It was established in 1945 by the UN Charter and started working from 1946. The headquarters of ICJ is in Hague, Netherlands. Question number 69. National Judicial Appointment Commission has been held constitutionally dash in the case of dash. Its right answer is one second. Its right answer is B. National Commission Appointment Commission has been held constitutionally invalid in the case of Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association versus Union of India. Question number 70. Under Article 22, Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution, no person can be detained beyond. Its right answer is C. 24 hours. Question number 71. Supreme Court rules are formulated under. Its right answer is Article 145 of the Constitution of India. B. Question number 72. Article 21A of the Constitution of India vests in every dash right to dash. Its right answer is citizen and shelter. Article 21 of the Constitution of India vests in every citizen's right to shelter. Question number 73. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty? Its right answer is promoting trade and commerce of the country. C. Question number 74. Appeal against the decision of a single judge of High Court lies before. Its right answer is Division Bench of High Court. B. Question number 75. Who was T.B. Macaulay? Its right answer is all of the above. T.B. Macaulay was the chairman of the first Law Commission of India and the prime man behind drafting of the Indian Penal Code and the chairman of Society of Public Instructions. So the right answer is D, all of the above. Question number 76. Law on evidence in India was codified by. Its right answer is B. James Fitz James Stephen. Question number 77. What is doctrine of alternative danger? Its right answer is if a risk is to be taken by plaintiffs consequential to a defendant's act, the same shall be compensated. It's right. So the right answer is C. Question number 78. Does right to personal liberty includes right to speedy trial of an accused? Its right answer is yes, as per the decision of the Supreme Court of India in Qatar Singh versus State of Punjab. So the right answer is B. Question number 79. November is celebrated as National Law Day because its right answer is Constitution of India was enacted on this day, 26 November. 26 November is celebrated as National Law Day because Constitution of India was enacted on this day. So the right answer is C. Question number 80. Dishonor of check is an offence under. Its right answer is Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. So the right answer is B. Question number 81. Which of the following is not true about Juvenile Justice Board? It comprises three members. It is right. There shall be a woman metropolitan magistrate presiding over board. It is not right. C. The board comprises of two special workers. This is right. So the right answer is C. B only. Question number 82. Liability of a surety is. Its right answer is coextensive with that of principal debtor. So the right answer is C. Question number 83. International Military Tribunal was established in pursuance of. Its right answer is Moscow Declaration. So the right answer is A. Question number 84. The concurring opinion in Kesavanandar Bharti versus State of Kerala was delivered by. Its right answer is Justice H.R. Khanna. A. Question number 85. Finance Commission of India is constituted under Article dash of the Constitution of India. Its right answer is 280. Article 280 of the Constitution of India. So the right answer is A. Question number 86. What is the difference between review and appeal? Its right answer is B. In law, uh, a review is filed. In law, a review is a request to review to re-examine a decision by the same court, while the appeal is request to re-examine a decision by a high court. It is not. It is not full. I am writing here the full answer. A review is a request. A view is a request to re-examine to re-examine a decision by the same court, by the same court, while an appeal while an appeal is to request is to request to re-examine re-examine a decision by a higher court, by a higher court. So the difference between review and appeal is a review is requested a review is requested to re-examine a decision by the same court, while an appeal is requested to re-examine a decision by higher court. So the next question is 87. Pick the odd one out with regard to Bombay High Court. Its right answer is B. Pune. Because in Nagpur, Aurangabad, and Bombay, at all these places, the benches of Bombay High Court uh, is has been established. In Pune, there is no bench of High Court, Bombay High Court. So the next question is 88. What is a uterine blood relation under Special Marriage Act 1954? Its right answer is sibling with the same mother. C. Question number 89. Pick the odd one out. Its right answer is C. Conversion. Question number 90. Performance of an assigned duty in a criminal manner by an employee makes him liable under. Its right answer is no liability. C. Question number 91. Arrange the following police post in the order of increasing seniority. Its right answer is C. Question number 92. What is corporate governance? Its right answer is ideology of self-governance of corporation with the regulatory framework of the government. So the right answer is B. Question number 93. A special leave to appeal is instituted in circumstances of. Its right answer is grave miscarriage of justice. So the right answer is A. Question number 94. Pick the odd one out. Its right answer is A. Article 133 of the Constitution of India. Because 130, 133, 134, and 136 all deals with the appellate jurisdiction, whereas Article 131 deals with original jurisdiction of the original jurisdiction. All these articles deals appellate appellate jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court, while Article 131 deals with original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Question number 95. Which of the following incomes is not exempted under Income Tax Act? Its right answer is allowances of judicial officers. D. Question number 96. What is meant by judicial legislation? Its right answer is forming of law by judges through decision. So the right answer is B. Question number 97. An arrested person has. Its right answer is all of the above. An arrested person has right to remain silent, right to know reasons for arrest, right to be presented before the magistrate without delay. So the right answer is D. Question number 98. Which of the following is not an ingredient for the offense of theft under Indian Penal Code? Its right answer is possession of honor. C. Question number 99. Pick the odd one out with, with respect to United Nations Security Council. Its right answer is C. Because other than Italy, all these three, namely United Kingdom, China, and France, are permanent member of Security Council. Italy is not the permanent member of Security Council. So the right answer is C. Italy. Question number 100. What is meant by natural law? Its right answer is what is meant by natural law is law of justice, equity, and good conscience. So for this video, that's it. We will discuss more in upcoming video. If you are new in this video, make sure that you visit previous video. That will be very helpful for your preparation, and it will be very helpful in your examination. So for today, that's it. We will meet we will meet in next video. Thank you.